Hi, I'm Ken Pulse of Excel Guru Consulting Inc., and also one of the founding partners behind PowerQuery.training. So, why should you take a course on Power Query? What does this actually offer you? Well, let's talk first about the evolution of this product. It was first released as a free download for Excel 2010 and 2013, and then Microsoft decided it was so important they were going to roll it into Excel 2016 and higher. That tells you something about the importance right there. This tool is also so useful that it's been rolled into Power BI Desktop, another software. So when you're actually playing around with Power Query, your skills are transferable between multiple programs. So what does it do? Why should you actually invest any time in learning it? And the answer is because it's going to save you time and money. And at the end of the day, none of us have enough time. We all know that time costs money. So if we can get time back, that's a good thing. So how does it do that? Well, Power Query is all about cleaning up and reshaping nasty data. The course is packed with real-world examples of horrible data formats. And I'm almost guarantee that you're going to recognize some of these from your own life. We go through lots of different patterns that we work with to clean this data up. And we're going to use a user interface that's actually fairly easy to use. You're going to find that it can probably be done faster in Power Query than you can with traditional tools like formulas and even VBA. And the best part about Power Query is that even after we've gone through and we've done all this cleanup, typically faster than we can do with regular tools, when we're done and next month comes along, it's reusable. We just go and we click a button to say refresh, and it's done. It lands it in a beautiful table. Power Query is like a big macro recorder. It records all the steps that we did and replays them next time on the new file. So get a new file, save it over top of last month's data, hit refresh, boom, you're done. It's just that easy. You think, oh yeah, but what if I have an entire folder full of files and I just want to keep throwing new files into that folder and hit the refresh button? I want all those to come in too. Easy. I actually show you how to do that in the course. Simple stuff, really. It's great. What if your data comes from the web and you've got another data that comes from maybe a database table and you need to join them together? We can do that too because Power Query does that as well. I don't care where your data lives. I don't care how nasty it is. We can use Power Query to clean it up and automate it for next time. Easy to learn, super impactful, will get you hours back in your life so that you can spend time focusing on what you are actually hired for, interpreting the data, and not what you're doing, which is cleaning the data.